Hey guys, Kai here from TikTok. So welcome back to the channel. In the last video I did a home renovation series and I was telling you guys that I might not be doing any product reviews for a while. Obviously I lied because today I just received my order. This is an air fryer from Xiaomi. So today I am unboxing and testing out this Xiaomi smart air fryer, and we were contemplating whether to buy a conventional air fryer, something like the ones that Philip has or Mayer has, like simple straight up air fryer. So we thought that since I do a lot of smart home devices, why not just get a smart one? Right, and here it is. It's all white with a Xiaomi logo on the top. This thing has nothing, no control panels, so it's just a flat thing. And on the front, there are two things which you need to take note of. Number one is this knob. This is where you control the temperature settings, some presets, and you can depress the middle button here. And also the very, very important component is this side over here. This is where you put your riser or your grill over, and then you put in the food items. Capacity-wise, I'm not sure. I haven't really checked it out, but this is the actual capacity over here. And the cost of this entire thing is also here. I believe I paid less than $70 for this entire thing. It is smart, so you can control using your Google Hub and your phone, of course. It comes with an app that you can integrate to those digital voice assistants, and you can control a lot of things via the Xiaomi app. So that's about it for the unboxing. Let's now then see whether this can fry our favorite pack of nuggets nicely. Let's go. All right, so I just gave these a little rinse. This is actually a metallic plate that you can find in the basket, the frying basket. It sits somewhere here at the bottom, so you just have to make sure that it fits snugly. And I'm going to put the grill on top of the plate, and then I'm going to go and get my pack of nuggets. Okay, let's try maybe 10 pieces. So 3, 4, okay, that's 6, and that's 9, maybe 10. Maybe a bit more. Okay, let's try there. 4, 8, 11, 12. Okay, let's try 12. 12 piece Mac Kairoon's nugget. Let me just put the basket back into the air fryer and then turn it on. Oh, the power button is here. It's not the knob. Okay, there is a very subtle power button. It's haptic feedback button over here. So manual, you can go French fries, chicken, wings, fish, steak. Yeah, there are presets. Shrimp, vegetable, cake, dried fruit, schedule, settings. All right, let's do chicken wings preset. I don't know whether this is gonna be good. Let's press single layer, double layer. Yep, double layer. Because I've placed the nuggets right on top, so I'm just gonna go for double layer here. 25 minutes. Okay, let's just make the air fryer do its thing, and we'll come back in 25 minutes later. All right, I just had a quick check on the duration of air frying nuggets. It shouldn't take 25 minutes. It should be between 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna pause and see condition of the nuggets. Oh, it does look very good. Is that crispy? Yes, it is. Okay, so in the middle of all of the things that happen while it's doing its cooking, there was a beep, and I checked. There was a prompt which says, please shake your food. So, okay. So just toss them and then put them right back in and continue. All right, so after roughly 8 to 9 minutes, this is the result. Crispy and golden. Over on the Mi Home app, you can do several other configurations. There are several other templates that you can play around with. As you can see, this one When I'm cooking my chicken, I can just select on the chicken wings, have everything set into the app and have the air fryer start cooking. And when the air fryer stops cooking, you will get a notification on your mobile phone saying that it's ready. Alright, of course, we have to do a little bit of a taste test just to see whether or not this is good. So I'm just gonna pick one. When I stick the fork inside the nuggets, it does have that crunchy texture, you know, the ones that you got from McDonald's. Those kind of textures. Let's have a taste. It's cooked. It's obviously cooked. It's not oily. And they have that crispy texture that I was talking about. And if you have eaten nuggets, and I'm sure you guys have done so, that familiar crunchiness when you bite into the nuggets, it's there. And I'm really, really impressed. This is good. Wow, this is really, really impressive. I'm sorry, it's very hot. I'm burning my tongue. All right, so with the functionality and the output, I mean the result itself, I would say that they have done a very good job in air frying my nuggets. This is exactly what I'm expecting of the air fryer to do. Once again, it has that crispy golden texture that we all love in nuggets. And I guess the presets on this makes it a little bit easier for you to navigate things around the app, which can enable more smart functionalities. But on the whole, I'd say I'm very impressed. And we'll just have to see how this goes in the few months to come as I go on my air frying journey and adventure, just to see what else it can do. So I'm gonna go and Google what other air fryer recipes that I can take note of and try to do on this Xiaomi air fryer. Very, very good job, Xiaomi, on having this kind of cheap, no, not cheap, affordable, smart appliance that you can introduce to someone like us, Tiara and myself. Like a married couple who doesn't need like, you know, premium, state-of-the-art air fryer when it comes to just having simple air frying cookings like our nuggets and our popcorn chicken. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you do like this video, hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next home renovation series or a new product review. Something like this, which is totally unplanned. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!